Hello guys, today I have the SOUNDCORE Liberty 5 headphones and I'm going to show you how you can easily pair them with your Android phone. At first you need to go straight to the settings of your phone. Now you need to go to the connected devices, not apps, connected devices, and tap pair new device. Once you have tapped that, you should see all the available list of your devices that are around you. Now you need to pull this case and open the case. It's like this, as you can see, and you need to hold this button over here until you see it on the screen. And now, as you can see, this is not my first pairing, so that's why I do see them, but you need to hold this button for at least 5 seconds. Now after that, tap your device in the available devices list, pair, and now, as you can see, we are connected and we are active. That's it. Hope it helps you, and goodbye.